You, sir, are attempting to stop the people from gathering in a public building on public property to address a public official. That, sir, is absurd. Go and get the governor. Go and get the governor. I'm through talking to you. Go and get the governor.
If you're done talking to me, you can
go
leave.
And get the governor. You make me leave.
All right, let's go.
Make me leave. I'm disobeying. I'm not.
Let's go. Why?
I'm not.
What do you want to do?
End of question. End of conversation. We're not moving. Go and get the governor. You're not back yet.
We can move everyone out of the press conference.
We're not moving.
We're happy to have this conversation.
We're not moving. This is a public building on public property with the public official. What about the voice of the people, young lady? I'm not screaming. I'm speaking up just as loudly as Patrick Henry did when he said, "Give me liberty or give me death."
We're happy to ignore an entire.
Ma'am, we're not moving. Hear me out.
Okay. Well,
nothing personal towards you, ma'am. Okay. Nothing personal towards you. Towards the governor, yes.
You'd like to have a conversation with him, and we're happy to do that.
Good, and we're ready to have it.
Again, the press conferences are not open.
We are ready to have that
conversation.
conversation.
Members of the press, and we'd like to talk to the governor.
We are ready to have that conversation with the governor.
And what was your name? I didn't catch your name.
My name is Ben Frazier. I'm the founder and president of the Northside Coalition of Jacksonville, one of 6 plaintiffs suing your governor.
Okay, I understand that.
Right,
Now,
for
you guys all at the
HB1.
Northside?
Let's have the news conference.
We'd like to be able to do that.
Let's conduct it. Why not?
Because this
is the governor afraid to meet with the people?
No, he's not afraid.
We are his constituency. Is the governor afraid to meet with the people? No. We mean him no harm. No. We come in peace. There we go. The governor's running. Look, the governor's running. When it comes down to public welfare, this governor does not care. When it comes to public welfare, this governor does not care. This governor does not care. When it comes down to public welfare, this governor does not care. He does not want to meet with this public. He wants to run away and tuck his tail between his legs. Why? He doesn't want to.
He really does when
the bottom line is, he doesn't want to deal with the people. The only person here.
Sir, you also do not have any credentials, so you're also
happy to get this
you don't have credentials,
situated.
you're welcome to hang out downstairs on the outside. Thank you.
We're happy to have this conversation. We're happy. We're here for a press conference. We're not here to cover drama. We have an official announcement.
And for what reason am I being detained?
We'd like to be able to do this, but we're asking you to leave respectfully. This is an event for credentialed media. This is an event for credentialed media.
The governor is afraid to meet with the people. He is an enemy of the people. He is an enemy of the people. He is an enemy of the people. When it comes to public welfare, this governor does not care. When it comes to public welfare, this governor does not care. When it comes to public welfare, this governor does not care. This governor does not care. Why am I the only person being detained?
We again are asking everyone that is a protester to leave. Thank you.
My vehicle is right here. So where's my vehicle? So where's my vehicle? Wait a minute. Ah, wow, whoa. Hey, okay, wait a minute now. I need to be able to get on this vehicle.
Guys, we're here for
I do. I don't know why you have me in handcuffs. Why? Why am I being handcuffed?
Reset for the press conference.
Why am I being handcuffed?
Because we're asking.
Why am I being handcuffed?
Mr. Frazier,
I have not done anything to anyone. Why am I being handcuffed?
Mr. Frazier, please.
Why am I being handcuffed? Okay. Why am I being handcuffed, Sergeant Terrell?
Right now. You got it. Come on, let's walk.
I asked a question. Why am I being handcuffed? Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? I'm asking a question. Am I being arrested? There are other people here. Why are they not being handcuffed?
Can asked to step down outside, okay, if there's any business, okay? Outside the building.
So you can take the elevator, we can walk down the
Ladies, thank you, y'all. Thank you for your cooperation. Sir, likewise. Catch this elevator door here.
Why am I being handcuffed?
Sir, likewise, please. Officer Charlie, I'm going to show you the way out. Thank you, sir. You write that back.
Gotcha.
We don't want a George Floyd. We don't need a George Floyd here today. But we already know.
Come around, Debbie.
Make this way, yeah. Look at this shame. Shame!
Shame!
Shame! Shame! Shame! Shame! Shame! Shame! Shame! All the murder is going on in the city of Jacksonville. You want to arrest an innocent man? You want to arrest a senior citizen, a disabled, elderly?
Ben.
Really? Yes. Because he can't go talk about how he's going to
Ben, do I need to take anything? Can he give me anything of his wallet, his whatever? Can you please step back? I'm not gonna, listen.
He's disabled too, right?
Yes, he has a disability. Ben, please tell him who I am so you can give me your wallet and
No,
things.
not just because of that. But
Ben,
Did they say what you were being arrested for? You being charged with?
Debbie, I don't know what my wallet is.
We got it.
He wants to get arrested. If he gets arrested, he gets a lot of attention. It's good.
Debbie,
What's your name?
Debbie,